I've had a big increase in my practice lately dealing with landlords and tenants, and especially tenants that are having problem with the house that they're living. It could be that it's in disrepair, the water doesn't work, or even more serious conditions like mold. And in the past, I've seen people just move on. They just find another place to live. But with rental markets tightening, what are you to do if you're having a problem and your landlord will not fix it? With the rental market being so tight, what I've noticed is that many landlords aren't being as responsive to tenants as they used to be in the past. The landlord may think, well, if this tenant is unhappy, that's fine. There's several more lined up that will rent my house, probably for more money. So how do you deal with this as a tenant? The first thing is to try to communicate with your landlord as much as possible in writing. For example, if there's a problem with the water, if there's a problem with mold in the house, if there's a problem with the heater or so forth, have the communications with the landlord in writing. This can be even by a text message, an email, whatever works best for you. Now, what if the landlord still doesn't fix it? Many people think, well, I'll just fix it myself and I'll take it off the rent. You've got to be very careful about this. Most states have particular laws about when you can and when you cannot do this. You have to meet certain requirements before you can exercise that remedy. The great news is, for these kinds of concerns, which we call habitability of a residence, there are lots of protections for tenants within the law. These protections will allow you to get the house fixed at the landlord's expense, and if they fight you, they're going to have to pay for your attorney's fees. It also protects you from retaliation from the landlord evicting you because you're complaining about the basic livability of your home.